Hey queens, it's DONYEA Nicole here, back at you with another video. Okay. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give your girl a thumbs up if you like this video. Today is an unboxing video. So I, as you've heard, broke my MacBook Air, and I went ahead and got the MacBook Pro. Your girl's stepping it up, okay? So I've been waiting for you beautiful queens to open this box and see what we are working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox, show you everything that's in the box, and then we're gonna set it up together. All right, queens, let's do this. Is the box that it came in. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Damn. Wow! Look at that! So sleek. And soft. Okay. Girl, I see what you're working with. What? So I got the base model MacBook Pro, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the camera angle so that you can actually see me unbox the plastic and open it up. All right, so I'm just gonna remove the plastic. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, and I changed my shirt. It was hot as hell up in here. The AC is not on, I'm hot. So here it is, the box and all, coming off. And we just have the laptop in here. This is the 16-inch. There's a little pull tab, just pull up. And then we'll just go over what's in the box first. So I guess we have the charging cable here, and then in here, I believe, are just instructions and the Apple stickers. Yes. And then, oh, this is being difficult. Got it. And then we have the block thing. This is really big. This thing is mad heavy. And that's all she wrote in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plastic and set this bad boy up. I wonder what I'm gonna name her, him, I'm not sure yet. And I got the space gray. I am so in love. So in love. Little plastic covering. Ooh, she's turning on. Okay, do your thing. Ah! All right, queens, we're gonna set this up together. This trackpad is huge. I love it already. I cannot wait to start editing these videos. All right, so it's just asking what language I speak. So English, of course. And then I think I'm gonna ask like where I'm from. Yep. So let's go ahead and find United States. Here we are. Continue. And then we're gonna have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Just kidding, it's Wi-Fi. I'll be right back. It's on my phone, and then I'll be back. All right, so we're back. I threw the Wi-Fi password in. Data and privacy, continue. Don't transfer any information now. So it's asking if I want to transfer information from another Mac. Mine is broken, won't turn on, can't fix it. So yeah, we're going to skip that. Don't transfer information for now. And then we gotta go ahead and sign into our Apple ID. So I'm gonna do that. So it just sent me a verification code to my phone because I was signing in from a new MacBook. Agree to the terms and conditions, warranty, blah, blah, blah. Agree. Hopefully I didn't see my full name. I'll edit that part out. All right. And we just clicked continue. All right, so it is, I guess, setting up my iCloud again onto this computer. I'm trying to tell if this is like too much computer for me. This is like really big, but I like it. I definitely like it. I love it. I love this trackpad up here. Hopefully I manage how to work it. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're done finally. So it's we're allowing to find my Apple Express setup, continue, share crash data. We will not do that. Screen time, enable Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? All right, so I just went ahead and set up my Siri, my Hey Siri. Showed y'all that. Continue, improve Siri and dictation, share audio recordings. Not now, not today, not tomorrow, not ever. And that's on period, okay? Continue. Allow your files and photos in iCloud. Continue. File vault. Continue. Touch ID. Yes. So we're just setting up the fingerprint, which is in the top right corner, which I love. It is an amazing feature that they put on here. Touch ID is ready. It's real quick, simple. Apple Pay. I'm not going to set it up. I'm going to set it up later. Probably not. And then it's asking me to choose my look. I love the dark mode. My phone's dark mode and my Mac will be dark mode. When I figure out a name, I'll let y'all know. True tone. We're gonna keep the true tone. And it is setting up the MacBook. Yes, queens. And yes, here we have it. Oh, I can't wait to play around with it. So far I love it. It came 83% charged. So that's good. Oh my gosh, all my stuff from my old MacBook is popping up on here. I love this. I love this so much. I love it. All right, queens, thank you so much for watching this video and sticking with me. Remember, I post a new video every Wednesday. So if you haven't watched last week's video, go ahead and click the link right above and go ahead and watch it. Thank you so much, queens. Bye.